Hello guys, today we will go to Pepe waterfall. It is about 70 kilometers from Larambai to Pepe. Now we are going. I'm excited to reach there. My friends are waiting for me there in Dosti Hotel. Now we are going there for looking the beauty of the nature. The sunshine is rising. Till now it is 4:22 o'clock. 4:22. We have to go faster to reach there. I heard because we have to go down, it take time to go there to reach there. Now I guess now we are here. There is a waterfall. We will go there. We will see. We will show you in the in the bottom of that. So hi guys, my friend. Let's go. We'll go there together. Can go in front. I will come from the back. Bring that all the thing. Let's go. This is the way we have to go. So guys, please subscribe my channel and please like and share so that you will see my next video, the next waterfalls. We will go next month or next week maybe. It's tired. It's tired. He's carrying the meat, chicken, and the road also is not that much bad. For us, we used to travel like this is quite good. But for other, they are already tired like this man. He is already tired. But most of them in front, I heard, especially girl, they are very tired to climb this. Look, there is the waterfall. Whoosh. Okay, have a picture. Click from it. There is the waterfall. Wow. Look at this. She has difficult to go down there to see the waterfall. This is the Sprite 7 Up for us to drink after on the time we eat meat. We'll eat with the meat together. We will show you later on. Let's see. This is the meat. We mix some soil and chili, red chili. Red chili like this. It is very nice. It is very tasty. Spicy and tasty. Wow. That's waterfall we are eating here. Now we are going to the waterfall. We buying ticket 50 rupees per each. Now we are four of us, is 200. Before you go in the waterfall, you have to pay 50 rupees. That is the waterfall. Let's see the beauty of the nature. Here is the nature and the waterfall of Pepe waterfall. If you want to go, you can go near Amlarem. So thank you guys.